Taurine, the miracle amino acid for brain, heart, and longevity. Welcome to Empowered Living, one step at a time with HIW. Our goal is to support your wellness journey with research-backed insights, helping you navigate the expanding world of health and wellness, an area too often sidelined in favor of economics and politics. Taking responsibility for our wellness is an act of empowerment, and every step toward understanding it brings us closer to true well-being. We invite you to stay for the disclaimer at the end of this podcast, which provides important context for the information shared. What is taurine and why is it important? Taurine is one of the most abundant amino acids in the human body, found in high concentrations in the brain, heart, retina, and muscles. Unlike other amino acids that build proteins, taurine acts independently to support neurological function, cardiovascular health, immune response, and metabolic processes. Blue key benefits of taurine: supports heart rhythm and prevents arrhythmias, stimulates brain stem cells and supports memory, reduces oxidative stress and inflammation, enhances insulin function and helps prevent diabetes, protects against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. As we age, taurine levels naturally decline, making supplementation or taurine-rich foods increasingly important. Taurine and heart health, a natural protector. Taurine is essential for heart muscle function and helps regulate electrical activity, blood flow, and oxidative stress. How taurine protects the heart: prevents arrhythmias, helps regulate heart rhythm, reducing the risk of atrial fibrillation and ventricular tachycardia. Boosts heart energy production, stimulates mitochondria in heart cells for better energy use, reduces post-heart attack damage. Taurine supplementation after a heart attack has been shown to prevent ventricular fibrillation and lower mortality rates. Lowers blood pressure, helps relax blood vessels and improve circulation. Red Key Study 1 study found that taking 10 to 20 grams of taurine per day reduced premature ventricular contractions, PVCs, by 50% and eliminated them entirely when combined with arginine. Best dietary sources for taurine: seafood, especially shellfish like scallops and clams, grass-fed meat, pasture-raised eggs, dairy, raw, grass-fed milk contains taurine naturally. Taurine and brain health, a cognitive supercharger. Taurine stimulates brain stem cells, enhances memory, and reduces neuroinflammation. Taurine's role in the brain: protects neurons from excitotoxicity, shields brain cells from excessive glutamate, a key factor in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Enhances synaptic repair, helps restore brain cell connections lost due to aging, injury, or disease. Prevents stroke damage. In animal models, taurine reduced the size of brain damage from strokes and improved recovery. Fights seizures. Taurine helps stabilize electrical activity in the brain, reducing epileptic seizure risk. Supports long-term memory, boosts hippocampal function, the brain's memory center. Red Key Study. In a 6-week study on Alzheimer's disease models, taurine supplementation completely restored cognitive function to that of healthy controls. Taurine and metabolic health, a natural diabetes fighter. Taurine enhances insulin sensitivity, regulates blood sugar, and protects against diabetes-related complications. Taurine's role in metabolism: enhances insulin function, helps regulate glucose metabolism, reducing diabetes risk. Protects against diabetic complications, shields nerves, kidneys, and eyes from diabetes-related damage. Reduces oxidative stress. Taurine's antioxidant properties help prevent damage to pancreatic beta cells. Red Key Study. In animal models of type 2 diabetes, taurine supplementation improved insulin sensitivity and glucose regulation. Taurine for inflammation, pain, and immune function. Chronic inflammation contributes to autoimmune diseases, pain syndromes, and immune dysfunction. Taurine is a natural anti-inflammatory agent that helps modulate immune response. How taurine reduces inflammation and pain: inhibits inflammatory cytokines, suppresses TNF-alpha and interleukin-6, both linked to chronic inflammation, reduces nerve pain, shown to alleviate neuropathic pain in diabetic neuropathy and fibromyalgia, protects against chemotherapy toxicity, reduces side effects from chemotherapy drugs, including nausea, kidney damage, and immune suppression. Red Key Study. In a study on leukemia patients undergoing chemotherapy, taurine supplementation reduced organ damage and improved immune response. Final thoughts: the power of taurine for long-term health. Taurine is a simple yet powerful nutrient that supports heart health, brain function, metabolic balance, and immune resilience. Blue Key takeaways. Taurine levels decline with age, making dietary intake and supplementation important. It plays a critical role in heart health, memory, and neuroprotection. Taurine supports insulin function and may help prevent diabetes. It protects the body from inflammation, oxidative stress, and toxicity. Incorporating taurine-rich foods or supplements can be a game changer for longevity, cognitive function, and overall well-being. Podcast disclaimer. This podcast is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Always consult with a qualified healthcare professional before making any decisions about your health, diet, or supplement use. The information shared is based on available research and discussions in the medical and scientific community. We encourage you to explore multiple sources and make informed choices that align with your well-being. We appreciate you spending this time with us. If today's episode resonated with you, feel free to share it, follow us for more, and continue walking your wellness path, one step at a time.